Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0344, pertains to an intermittent interruption in the CMP, Camshaft Position Sensor A circuit. This sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring the position of the camshaft, which is essential for optimal engine timing. Located near the engine's intake camshaft, the CMP sensor sends vital information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, about engine position. If the PCM does not receive a consistent signal from the CMP sensor, it may lead to engine performance issues. Moreover, the DTC indicates that the sensor circuit is experiencing interruptions, which could affect ignition timing and fuel injection processes. Consequently, understanding and diagnosing this error is critical for maintaining the vehicle's performance and reliability. The error description for DTC P0344 indicates that there is an intermittent disruption in the signal from the Camshaft Position Sensor A, which is vital for precise engine timing. Engine timing refers to the synchronization of the engine's components, specifically the relationship between the crankshaft and camshaft, and is critical for the correct combustion of the air-fuel mixture. If the signal from the CMP sensor is inconsistent or interrupted, it can lead to performance issues such as misfires, poor acceleration, or even stalling. The CMP sensor A is typically located near the intake camshaft, allowing it to monitor the camshaft position effectively. This sensor data helps the PCM determine the optimal timing for fuel injection and ignition. A malfunction in this circuit can lead to significant engine performance problems. Several possible causes can lead to DTC P0344. First and foremost, poor electrical connections can result in an inconsistent signal being sent to the PCM. Corroded, loose, or damaged terminals at the CMP sensor or the PCM can interrupt the signal and cause the DTC to trigger. Another likely cause is a faulty CMP sensor itself. Over time, wear and tear can affect the sensor's ability to accurately monitor the camshaft's position. Additionally, engine mechanical issues such as a damaged camshaft, timing belt, or related components can impact timing and result in the DTC. Therefore, a comprehensive evaluation of electrical connections, the CMP sensor's integrity, and engine mechanical components is essential for accurate diagnosis. Drivers experiencing DTC P0344 may observe various symptoms affecting vehicle performance. One of the most common symptoms is engine misfires, where the engine fails to fire correctly, leading to rough idling and decreased power. Poor acceleration can also be noticed, as the engine struggles to deliver power efficiently due to incorrect timing. The check engine light will typically illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue with engine performance. Additionally, drivers may notice erratic engine behavior or inconsistent engine performance, particularly during acceleration or at idle. Recognizing these symptoms early can facilitate more effective troubleshooting and repairs, ensuring the vehicle operates optimally. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0344 involves verifying the issue. Initially, turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the onboard diagnostics to prepare for a check. Next, use the HDS Honda Diagnostic System to clear the existing DTC codes. Clearing the codes will reset the system for accurate monitoring post-verification. After clearing the codes, start the engine and let it idle for approximately 10 seconds, allowing the PCM to reassess its components. Then, monitor the OBD onboard diagnostics status specifically for DTC P0344 in the DTC's menu using the HDS. At this point, Observe whether the HDS indicates that the DTC has either failed or passed, as this will dictate your next steps in the troubleshooting process. In the second troubleshooting step, a test drive must be conducted to further verify the problem. Drive the vehicle for several minutes while paying attention to the parameters recorded during the onboard snapshot, such as engine speed and vehicle speed. This action helps to recreate operating conditions under which the DTC may have previously manifested. Continuously monitor the OBD status for DTC P0344. What you find during the test drive is crucial. If the HDS indicates failed, move on to the third troubleshooting step. However, if it shows passed, it suggests that the system is currently functioning correctly. In such cases, investigate for poor electrical connections or loose terminals specifically at both the CMP Sensor A and the PCM. Understanding whether the issue is intermittent is key in establishing a direct path to repair. The third troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the condition of circuit connectors and terminals related to the CMP Sensor A. Begin by examining the connections at the CMP Sensor A for any signs of corrosion, damage, or looseness. Next, inspect the PCM connections, as they are critical for proper communication between the sensor and the vehicle's brain. After checking these two components, examine the engine ground and body ground connections, as effective grounding is crucial for sensor operation. If all connections and terminals appear to be in good condition, proceed to the next step in the troubleshooting process. If any issues are found, repair or replace the affected connections or terminals to restore proper functionality. The final troubleshooting step involves a visual check of the CMP pulse plate A. Begin by removing the cylinder head cover to gain access to the intake camshaft. Once exposed, carefully assess the condition of the CMP pulse plate A for any visible damage or looseness. Any signs of wear could indicate that it might be affecting sensor readings and ultimately cause the DTC P0344. If the pulse plate is determined to be damaged or appears loose, the next step is to replace the intake camshaft, which houses the CMP pulse plate A. If the pulse plate is intact, however, the replacement of CMP Sensor A is warranted to rectify the issue. This proactive approach ensures that either the mechanical or sensor issue is effectively addressed after completing the necessary repairs. It is vital to verify that the issue has been resolved. Begin by using the HDS to clear any lingering DTC codes from the system. Following the reset, take the vehicle for another test drive to ensure the repair has restored proper functionality. Monitor the performance during the drive, paying close attention to any symptoms previously observed. Check the OBD status for DTC P0344 once more, ensuring that it indicates passed. This step is critical in validating that both the sensor and circuit are now functioning correctly, restoring the vehicle to optimal performance. If the DTC reappears, further investigation may be required to ascertain the root cause. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0344, implementing routine preventive maintenance for the CMP sensor and related components is essential. Start by regularly checking the connections at the CMP Sensor A and PCM for signs of wear, corrosion, or looseness. Maintaining a clean and secure wiring harness is equally crucial, as exposure to environmental factors can degrade the integrity of the connections. Additionally, keeping the engine bay clean from debris and contaminants helps ensure that the CMP sensor operates efficiently. Regular vehicle diagnostics and software updates can also help prevent miscommunication between the CMP sensor and PCM, ensuring exceptional engine performance over time. In conclusion, DTC P0344 signifies an intermittent interruption in the CMP sensor A circuit, which is crucial for engine timing and performance. Understanding the various steps involved in diagnosing and repairing this issue is vital for any automotive technician, particularly for the Honda Accord models from 2017 to 2023. The troubleshooting process highlights the importance of checking electrical connections, wiring integrity, and the condition of engine components. Proper verification after repairs guarantees that the system functions optimally and can prevent similar issues in the future. Ultimately, being proactive in both diagnosis and maintenance can significantly enhance the longevity and reliability of this vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.